What is going up, guys? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, and money management channel on YouTube. So we all know the large company called Amazon. They are slowly taking over everything. They just released this new article and they are announcing a new credit card. We're going to be looking at the pros and cons and everything going on with this. So let's jump into it. So Amazon announced this card, and this card is especially designed for people with zero or bad credit. This card is a secured credit card. Pretty much what that means is you give them a deposit of, let's say, $200. Then you have a $200 credit line. So if you miss any of the payments or you just decide, screw it, I'm not paying it, they keep that deposit and they don't lose any money. And the one thing that sucks about credit is no one's willing to give you any credit if you don't have any proven track record. So it's kind of hard starting out. That's why they announced this. But there is some cool features. Now you get 5% back on everything off Amazon, off Amazon.com. So honestly, that's pretty cool. It's only on the Prime membership though. So that is a little bit of a setback, but it's alright. They do offer a 2% back on gas stations and restaurants and drugstores, which is pretty cool, and 1% back on all other purchases. Now, one thing that's cool is the $0 annual fee. I never get why companies expect people to accept their credit cards and they're going to be just taking money for no reason. So that's pretty cool, and there is no foreign transaction fees. So realistically, that is a pretty solid deal if you think about it. But now, what are the drawbacks to this card? Well, the drawbacks are this is a whopping 28% APR. But honestly, that shouldn't matter. Now, if you are like me, you pay off your credit card every month. You pay it off in full, so you don't have to worry about the interest. But if you fall behind, then it's going to be very, very difficult to build back up. So there are some pros and cons with this card, but I'm honestly excited to see where it goes. You know, they do offer a $40 gift card once you sign up. So that's something to keep in mind of, guys. But honestly, I think this is cool, but you always got to be careful. You do not want to pay the 28% interest rate because what is the guy's name? Jeff Bezos. He cannot be any richer. He's like the richest man in the world. So do not give him any more of your money. But that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on the Amazon credit card. I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to get it. I'm probably just gonna get it just to have. I don't know. I love debit and credit cards with awesome perks. But I'm excited for the 5% back because I am a Prime member. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and before you guys leave, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you guys think. So that is it, though. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the week. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode, and we have a lot of cool things coming soon. So take